Hi, my name is Simon Ewan. Today I'll be talking about the voyages of Magellan and where Magellan and his crewmates went on an adventure to find the treasure called spices. My main question to this story is, how did Magellan discoveries help the world? Let's start. Magellan was born in Sabrosa, Portugal, 1480, in a noble family. Sadly, his parents passed away when he was a boy, when he had the dream of making his career as an explorer. In 1506, Magellan participated in the several military and exploratory in Spiceland, Indonesia. Promoting to a captain in 1510, in 1511 he was with a fleet that conquered Malacca, thus gaining control of the most important trade routes in the region. A few years later, Charles I agreed to finance Magellan's trip in the hopes of becoming the king of the richest nation in the world. This voyage happened on September 20th, 1519, led by Magellan. Magellan's fleet left Spain on August 10th, 1519. A few years later, Magellan's crew came back to Spain in September 1522. It had been 3 years and a month since their journey has begun. What Magellan didn't know was that he accomplished more goals without him knowing, such as circumnavigating the globe and being the first explorer to cross the Atlantic Ocean. Magellan went through a lot of pain during his exploration, such as the crew dealing with the very bad Atlantic weather. As they were sailing, Magellan had taken the wrong way, going to the coast of South America, leaving a whole 3-month delay. Determined to keep sailing, Magellan still believed he would find a passageway linking to the Atlantic. Most of his men disagreed for the enormous effort. Cold, starving, and no longer believing in Magellan, his men started a mutiny. After a few months, Magellan got stabbed by a spear in flight, thinking that he could win the war with superior weapons, but died a tragic way, never achieving his goal in 27th of April 1957. After Magellan died, one of his crewmates, John Sebastian Elcano, accomplished his goal by finding treasure that he always wanted. Magellan is really grateful for what John has done to accomplish his goal. Magellan helped people who had the dream to sail around the world exactly like him. He also helped us prove that the world was round after he circumnavigated the whole world. Magellan helped us find shorter routes so that we could be much safer and easy to go to different countries. Magellan's voyage proved that the Earth was far larger than presumed by earlier navigators. Magellan's crew found out that several animals were entirely new to European science, such as camel without humps. Magellan was a great person to lead us through our ways. He wanted to achieve his goal for behalf of him and the other half for his parents. Even though he and his crew went through tough times, such as his crewmates causing a mutiny on him, causing a 3-month delay, and leaving them hungry. Magellan is a very brave man and is indeed one of the great history's explorers. Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoyed.